Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am your online trainer Khalid Mahmud. In today's video, we will create exercise 36 step by step in AutoCAD. This tutorial is perfect for beginner. So if you are new in AutoCAD, so don't worry. By the end of this video, you will be able to draw this exercise very easily. So don't forget to download the PDF file, link in the description to follow along. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the drawing. Open your AutoCAD and start a new drawing. Set the unit by typing UNITS units and check here as a insertion scale millimeter. Press OK. Turn on ortho, this one, to draw straight line very easily, and enable object snap for precise your drawing. This one is a object snap. You can activate just typing F3. Now step 2. Drawing the main outer shape. As you see in this drawing, this one is a outer shape. Random I create this one. Okay, this one is outer shape. So first we need to create this one. So start with a line 70 mm vertical. So use line command, press L, enter, click on first point and put a value as a 70. Press enter. Draw a horizontal baseline using a given dimension. So use L for line from here to 57, enter. Now again 54.5, press enter. Now next, draw the curve profile using circle command. As you see in this diagram, this curve radius will be 16. We are going to create this curve using circle command. So from this point we need to create C for circle. From here put a value as a 16, press enter. Now select this circle, use move command, M for move, downside from here to here. Now next curve, this one we are going to create, radius 32. Before create this one, we need to create this circle. Okay, this circle diameter will be 59. So now C for circle for this end point from this. Okay, so use C for circle, click here, D for diameter 59, press enter. Now next we need to create this curve. So use F for fillet, R for radius 32, enter, T for cutting edge, use here as a no trim. First this circle, second this circle. Now need to trim unwanted part. TR double enter, trim this one and also this one. Okay. If you want to trim this one, you can also remove. Now next, now we need to create this horizontal line 38 unit. So use L for line. From here, put a value as a 38, enter. Select this line, click on this midpoint and drag from here. Now need to create one more line from here to here. If you see this one from here to here as a curve, radius will be 6. So use F for fillet, R for radius and curve radius will be 6. 6, enter. Select this circle and also this circle. Now need to trim unwanted part. TR double enter, trim this one and just zoom in and trim also this one. Now if you see this first part already completed, so we need to create this part. Okay, so just use a command mirror. So use MI for mirror command, select all these part using enter, click here to here, press as a no. Now TR double enter, trim this part. Now step 3, creating the center circle and left side slot. So use C for circle. From this center point, put a value as a diameter 28, enter. Now we need to create this slot. So use rectangle command, REC for rectangle. Click any point of your base drawing, D for dimension, put a value as a 25, enter, 12, enter. Now need to create one more circle as a diameter 16. So C for circle and put a diameter, D for diameter 16, enter. Now trim, TR double enter, trim this one, also this one. Select all the part, use J for join. Select this one, use M for move. Click on this base point, use FROM from, click here and drag right side, it will be 6, enter. Select this line and also this line, go to properties and check a line type as a center and color will be red. Okay. Now need to break this line. So use BREAK, break at point, select this circle and break from here. Okay. Now we need to create these cutout. So select this line, use rotate command, RO for rotate. From this point, C for copy and put an angle as a minus 45 degree. Now need to offset from up and down, it will be 9.5 divided by 2. Open your calculator. Okay. Now here 9.5 divided by 2. So you have a value 4.75. Okay. So use O for offset. Put a value 4.75. Press enter. Select this line upside and also this line downside. Now MA for match. Select this line, circle to this line and this line. Now trim unwanted part. TR enter, T for cutting edge. Select this circle to this circle. Press enter. Trim this one, also this one, also this one and this one. Now create a cutout. Trim this one and also this one. Now this one and this one. Yeah, otherwise you can extend this line. Now E for erase. TR double enter. Trim this part. Select this one, E for erase. So now if you see very carefully, your inner part almost complete. Now step 4, drawing the right slot. So if you see very carefully, this one is a right slot, we are going to create this one. So if you see from here to here, value is 12.5 and from here to here it will be 6 and from this point to this point is 5.5 and from here to here 22. So we need to create this one. So first we need to create this one. So use offset command, O for offset, put a value 12.5, enter. Select this line to here. Again offset, O for offset, 5.5, enter. From here to here, from here to here. Now MA for match, select this line to this line. TR enter, T for cutting edge, select this line, press enter, trim this part. Now create this one using offset 6. So O for offset, put a value as a 6, enter. So from here to here. TR double enter, trim this line and this line. Now again choose offset command and put a value 11, enter. Select this line upside and this line downside. Now MA for match, select this line to match these properties. TR, enter. T for cutting edge, for this one enter, trim this one and this one. Otherwise TR double enter, trim this one to this one. Now select all your sketch except the center line. Go to properties, check a line type as a 0.30. Now your sketch complete. So need to add dimensions and all. So step 5, adding dimension and final touch. So use dimension command to add all the dimension. Adjust the text size using dimension style command. Already you put a video on YouTube how to use dimension style. Set the drawing in the center and check all the detail before save your drawing. After add dimension and all, your drawing looks like that. So finally, let's export the drawing to PDF. Using Ctrl P, choose as a continue, set DWG to PDF, choose a paper, select a window where you want to convert a PDF, press apply and OK, and save your location where you want to save. And that's it. You have successfully completed exercise 36 in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to more step-by-step tutorials. Want to support my channel? Join as a member and get exclusive perks. Click the join button. Comment below if you have any question. I will be happy to help you. See you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, take care. Keep learning, keep growing.